In this video, we're going to show you how to create a seed stitch pattern. Seed stitch is created just by alternating your knit and your purl stitches, and it's a sequence that you create over 2 rows. So let's start with the first row of seed stitch. In the first row, you're going to want to knit your first stitch and then purl your second, and then repeat that sequence. So let's do a regular knit stitch. Then bring the tail of our yarn around to the front of our work and do a regular purl stitch. Yarn to the back of our work for a knit stitch. And to the front for a purl. And you just repeat that sequence or that pattern along the full row. Once we've completed that row, we're going to flip our work and we're going to do the reverse. So in this case, we're going to purl the first stitch and then knit. So you're basically stacking the alternating stitches on top of each other to create our seed stitch pattern. So yarn tail at the front of our work and we'll purl our first stitch. And then yarn to the back of the work and we will knit. We complete that pattern or that sequence for the rest of the row, so a purl and then a knit. And then that 2-row sequence is what you repeat for the full length of your seed stitch. And this is what it will look like after you've completed 4 rows of seed stitch. You can see those little bubbles are your purl stitches and the little V's are your knit, and you'll want stacked on top of each other a V, then a bubble, then a V, then a bubble.